Look at that. The 84 Lancia. Well, I think this is a very, very, very legendary car. Well, another day, another museum. But this one is the Automotive Museum of Turin. And let me just give you a glimpse first of what is around me. Just look at those. Oh my god, this one fucking legends. I'm gonna drool a lot and swear a lot in this video, so stay tuned. The 360 challenge. I'm sorry I'm quiet because look at that. The 981 Boxster. I think this was one of those first cars I was introduced or knew about Porsche from. And even in games, I think the 981 Boxster was very, very famous. Look at this gangster. The Diablo. The Lamborghini Diablo. What a beauty, what a masterpiece. And this is the limited edition, special edition, 35th of 150. Again, another Ferrari, a 430 Scuderia. And then this monster, it's like a dream car. It's a dream to even see this. It's a Murcielago SV LP670. Just look at it. One of those legendary V12s. A tricycle from 1898. There's the engine, a little engine in the back. A car from 1898. One of the first produced by a French person. 1899. You see shock ups and a little more spacious design coming in. Similar, I don't know what's happening in the front. I'm guessing that's like a radiator-ish thing. Like a proper separate engine compartment. Radiators, horn, gas lamp lights. This is a 1901. And then 1903 pretty much had what a car, vintage car you think of would look like. More realistically a car now. Also, fun fact, I don't know how many people know, but this thing is what used to be the key of the car. You turn it around and you rotate it for the car to start. And then 1903, again 1903, a Fiat. One of the first by the founders. It's like a chariot, honestly. In the modern day, of course, everything is automated and the computer and everything, but that's how you would draft a car back in the day. Insane amount of skill and precision. I think those would be the parts, some tools that we still use till date. Look at that wrench, that's so new, like not new, but like, yeah, it's a bent wrench, I'm guessing, to reach somewhere. Look at these wrenches, they're pretty cool. 1906 Fiat. Look at that car. It's a mammoth of a car, but like, guessing that was what it used to be. And then this is an American Roadster. Beautiful light on this one though. And the most different thing I've seen on this is, look at this. They have 5 of levers, I don't know for what. And then horn also has like a Just look at this. Almost 7.5 liter. Probably like someone, like a king or some sort of a ruler sat here because there's one seat in the back with 2 gas tanks. And that's the luggage I'm guessing it carried. And that. The petrol looks electric and performance provides a confirmation petrol will have to struggle. It's gotten more truer than ever now. Queen of Tara Florio and donated to the farm. And look at that. This looks like a car that belongs to a queen or a king. From 1914. Look at this beauty. And look at, like, there's this windscreen for the driver and then a windscreen for the passengers here. And look at the spirit of ecstasy. She is beautiful. This is a car I've not heard of, but it's very similar to the Rolls Royce. It's called Isotta Fraschini. It's very similar to the Rolls Royce, I'm guessing. But look at the length on this. Probably like 12-14 feet. And I wish I could show you all the color in detail, but like it's not black, it's like a very beautiful emerald green. Let's look at the footrest. For reference, that's my leg. You have to see the car. Of course, I'm going to show you the car, but I have never known a Mercedes-Benz like this. The beauty and the absolute marvelous design behind this car, and just how gangster it is. Just look at it. Look at how low that windscreen is. Ciò che invece progressivamente dà linfa all'industria non solo italiana sono le sempre più consistenti. I've never been to a vintage car show and not seen a Buick. They just made cars like that. Di discontinuità con il passato e grandissime aspettative nel potere delle nuove tecnologie. The original Jeep, but not by Jeep, it was by Ford. The one that was used in the World War I, I'm guessing. The American Jeep goes to the war in Italy, donated to the museum. It's a piece of history. 1941. Look at this. And I think this is more special because they have all the drawings to scale here. So if you can see, it's to scale. And enjoy the Italian music here because, and even down, like I think they have all the details lined up, the front view. And I'm guessing Italian music because Fiat here. Look at that scale model. Again, scale model, scale drawings, to scale. An Alfa Romeo again. If you've not seen my Alfa Romeo video, you should. But well, there's an Alfa Romeo here too. The Guiletta Sprint. What a beautiful car. One of those very, very, very rare cars. A Packard Super 8. Look at the design. Look at the details. Look at the lines, how they flow. Just look at this one. Look at this. And then it goes more just there. Look at this little detail here. They start a line from there, here, and it continues into this. Look at the interior. Look at that red and the wood. A caddy. Look at this. Oh my god, look at the interior. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna save the best view of this car for the last, which is now. Look at that. These are some of those most prettiest cars I've ever seen. Just insanely beautiful. One of the very legendary cars, the Jaguar E-Type. If you know, it's a Jag. That is a very rare Ferrari, a 2.8 turbo. The interior of it. This was one of those cars which Europeans made to take a dig on the American muscle. So it's Milanese design, like it's designed in Milan, engineered in Turin, and competitor. The design was, of course, inspired by the American muscle, as you can see the lines. A 365 GT4. A Chevrolet Corvette. This car was made by one person, piece by piece. That's the Alfa Romeo 33 TT. I think you've seen that. You surely have seen that in my Alfa Romeo video. Mercedes-Benz W196R. Yes, 1966. Yeah, these are all rally cars. With the Swedish driver of Ford Cortina. Very famous American muscle. Ford Escort. Yeah. A Porsche 911. A 1970 LANCIA Safari. It's air freighted by to Nairobi by East African Airways. 1971 Fiat 124 Sport Spider. And Renault Alpine. This was when they were together. A 1976 Lancia Stratos. A very, very again legendary car. Look at that. The 84 Lancia. Well, I think this is a very, very, very legendary car. I wish I could hear this car, you know. It could have been loud and just badass. And look at the engine.
Not in my ear. Can I get a large fries?
The Audi Quattro. These were what the original Audis were famous for, the Quattro engine. By the way, Quattro means 4, so inline 4. These were mad cars that Audi made. Audi was on the top of the game, I think, in this point of time. Of course, they're heavily tuned, but what an era of cars. A Fiat 131. Lancia Delta, very, very famous. Safari. The Peugeot 205 Turbo, Lancia Delta S4, some hatchbacks into the rallying scene. Look at the fin on it. Like, I don't know how much downforce that gave, but clearly a lot of downforce was required while rallying. So they look like steel wheels on the back, heavy. A Fiat Abarth partnership. Look at the wing, it's like a Formula 1 inspired wing. A roll cage and some important stuff, and that's it.